Okay, let's try this again. In example B, okay, so we're going to go through the process. First thing I'm going to do is find delta x. And so we get delta x is equal to b minus a. In this case, b is 0, a is negative 2. So we got 0 minus negative 2 over n, okay, or 2 over n. So that's delta x. X sub k is going to be a, which is negative 2, okay, plus delta x times k, so that's plus 2 over n times k. All right, those are our x sub k's. All right, f of x sub k is equal to negative 2 plus 2k over n. Right, that's my x. I'm plugging into this. This is f of x. X plus 3 squared is f of x. So my x is negative 2 plus 2k over n plus 3, and then I'm going to square that, okay? Or we can just simplify it and say we've got 1 plus 2k over n squared, okay? All right, so, we're not quite done. Let's go ahead and write then our limit, okay? This is the limit as n approaches infinity of, I'm going to factor out that delta x, so this is 2 over n times the summation of k equals 1 to n, okay, of our f of x sub k. So 1 plus 2k over n squared. All right, so let's see if we get the same thing when we do this on our calculator. All right, so first we'll check the integral. So we're doing math, and it's option 9. Okay, we want to integrate from negative 2 to 0. X plus 3. And we're going to want that squared, so let me add some parentheses. X plus 3 squared. Okay, there we are. And we're doing this with respect to x. All right, dx. Okay, all right, so if I hit enter, we get 8.667, or I can convert that to a fraction. It's 26 thirds. Okay, now on my y equals, I already have it typed out here, but I've got 2 over x times the summation of k equals 1 to x. And then we've got 1 plus 2k over x squared. All right, that's what I have there. Okay, I'll scroll back through slowly. Okay, we got 2 over x. There's my summation. All right, so we're going to do y1, and let's just start out with 100 rectangles. And we get about 8.7, so we're in the ballpark. Okay. Um, so let's take it up to 1,000. Okay, we're at 8.67. Okay, so we're doing really good. I may push it to 2,000, but I think we've convinced ourselves that these are equivalent expressions. Okay, we're getting even closer. All right, so we can see that these are the equivalent expressions.